Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So I'm doing a Shein Weather Fit campaign and these are the items that I chose for today. So first off, we have a padded jacket coat and it's perfect for the winter. It's really nice. So you have a coat and a padded jacket in one. I also have a down jacket. It's lightweight but it's really warm. I like the color and I like this. There you go. It's really nice. I really like this jacket. And this is from Anuesta. So all the jackets or the clothes that I'm showing you today, I'm gonna link it in the description box below so you can check it out. Yes, and this is only $40. It's really nice. Wow, I love this jacket. I'll be wearing this like more often than the others. I love this. I really like this brand. It's such high quality brand. I love it. It's like high-end winter coat fashion yung tag nila. So this is the coat. Again, this is large. I like that it has a hooded jacket with this faux fur. It's really nice. Perfect for autumn or winter. So we're getting ready for snow days or super cold days, so this is perfect. Look at that. And this fur is detachable, so if you're gonna wash this jacket, you can easily take this off. And then, so I chose 3 winter jackets or coats, and then I also chose this nice like sweater with bow. Ito. So, pwede mo siyang itay ng ganyan. Very cute lang siya. Ganyan. I have black and also I have the yellow. So, such a nice sweater. If you guys want to check it out, link will be in the description box below. And also guys, I have a search code. I will link it in the description box below so you can search those amazing deals on Shein right now. And also my coupon code link will be in the description box as well. So ayan, hello guys. So ngayon bumalik tayo dun sa ating store at maglibot-libot tayo dahil this time kukuha na tayo na talaga ng isa pang pwesto pero yung maliit lang gaya nito. Yung $75 lang. Kasi gusto namin yung mga bata na mag-start ng store para sa kanila, para magkaroon sila ng responsibilidad. And then, last time, sabi ko, kukuha kami. Kaya lang, nawala na yung promo nila na 1 month free. Pero ngayong January, binalik nila para maka-attract ng mga sellers na 1 month free ulit. Kaya this time, kukuha tayo. Pero hindi kasi laki nung gaya ng sa amin. Ito nga, yung $75, kalahati yung laki niya. So, kaya naglilibot-libot tayo. Tinitingnan ko kung ano ba yung possible na pwesto na makuha namin. Kasi depende ko ano yung available na pwesto. So, pagbalik natin dito, ay ano tayo? Kukuha na tayo ng pwesto para sa mga bata.
Ang galing, oh. Wow, ang cute ng crochet na yun. Hindi na ako pupunta doon kasi wala doon yung mga bata. Pero halos puno na yung mga tindahan. Ito yung mga 75 is kalahati nung amin. So, yung amin 150. Cute ng bag. Pang teenager. Cute na. Mga decoration. Ang cute naman. Wow, ang cute. Tapos ito rin, maganda rin to. Ang cute, 25. Okay. Ito, $1 lang eh. Kasunod. Yung parang, ano ba, shot shot glass. Wait, tingnan nyo isa. Dito ko binili yung picture ko, hindi ko pa nagagamit. Ang dami nilang mga ano, no? Ayan. Dito kami bumili ng tsokolate. Nagugutom na ako talaga. Saan kaya kami kakain? Uy! Hala! Ano to, M&M's? Sana hindi makita ng mga bata. Magkano to? M&M. Kano? Walang price. 250. Mura na yan, ha? For saka meron din silang musli. Mura dito, 250 lang din. Marami silang mga magagandang bagay-bagay. Dito pala magandang bumili. Pag meron kang party-party, ito $10 lang, 125 pounds. Tapos ito, $2 lang, oh. Yung foil flatware holder. Ay, ang cute nito. $2 lang, flatware holder. Ang galing. Ito naman para sa soup. Cup siya. Oh, ang cute. Juice cup. Oh, ang cute nito. Pang mga pangbata. Cup holder. Para di bil ng bili ng ano, no? Para hindi bili ng bili. Ng cup. Ng ano yung mga disposable. Ito na. Pang juice. Magandang idea yun. Ayan. Cute din ito. Daming cute. Ang mura lang magpresyo dito. Mapapabili ka talaga. Gusto kong bumili. May mga decor din. Ito yung paborito kong store. Ito yung paborito kong store sa lahat dito. Sunod yung amin. Ito yung paborito kong store talaga. Deal yung mga nila, mura ba?
So, pagkatapos dun sa vendor mall, punta naman tayo sa Target kasi gusto ng mga batang pumunta sa Target. And ang dami ding clearance.
$3. $3 only?
For RC car.
Where's the price? Is it 50 off? Oh, wow. That's a good deal. Good deal. Wow, look at you guys. $3, has 50 off pa siya. Uy, ang cute, oh. Tapos may matcha kit. Ito. Pang mix ng matcha. $5. Tapos $2.50 off pa. So, ano na lang. $5, $2.50 na lang. Good deal. Oy. Desktop, oh. Lamp. $3. 50 off. Is this 50 off too? Wow, look at that. Espresso martini. I like that.
Smells so good.
Yeah, it
smells
smells so good.
like
Wow.
inside of a Starbucks. Mommy
Ay, wow, oh. Tongka, oh. Look. Oh, wow, look. Wait, this is salt and pepper. Look.
I found a Tonka truck.
Do you know what this is? Wait, what's the price for this?
I don't know.
$1? Ben, how much? $3.
Snack container.
Snack container for...
Yeah.
Ang daming mga kaek-ekan, no? Yan. Snack container din yan.
Look.
Yeah. This one too is for apple.
Yeah.
Ito, kuya. How much is this? Scratch Fantastic. How much is that? $3. Sale, guys.
We have some.
Ang dami, guys, clearance. Oh, 50% off. Clearance. Ang dami. Puro clearance. Wow, look at this. Nakakatuwa talaga sa Target, no? Tingnan nyo, ang kulay. Ang daming magaganda. Kaya huwag kayo pupunta sa Target kung naka-budget kayo dahil talagang mapapabili kayo. Wow, ang ganda na, Ben. Wow, ang sakit ng tiyan ko. Kumain kami. Yan ngayon, na-empacho ang lola nyo. Na-empacho. Wow, orchids. Wow, I like that. Ang ganda sa Target talaga. Ito yung paborito kong window shoppingan, ang Target. Dahil mahal dito, guys, ang mga bilihin. Kaya hindi ka masyado magmamalingke dito. Mahal dito ang bilihin. Pero, paamoy? Paamoy? Ooh, okay. That's okay. Ang daming clearance, guys. Clearance, clearance. Ayan na. Clearance, clearance, clearance. Ang dami, guys, clearance. Ito pa, guys. So far, ito pa lang ating nasya-shopping. That's good, that's good. Halos patapos na kami. Oh, goldfish cupcake. That's me.
Oils.
Oil, sugar, and flour. Ang dami, guys, sale. Clearance. After kasi ito ng holiday. Ben, let's go back to the clearance. Baba. Tingnan nyo, guys, oh, packaged sugar. Tingnan nyo. Oh, tama-tama. Talagang packaged sugar siya talaga. Packaged sugar talaga, oh. They're very honest, guys. So, don't buy these because these are packaged sugar. Right, Kuya? Hindi siya agree.